Hi, in this video we will learn how to create a simple drop-down. Go ahead, open the form, click on the section, go to Elements, go to Form, pick a drop-down, put it here, click on Edit, and then here you can type in a name. Let's put it city. It's city names. Good. Took me a little time. So once you have the drop down here, then you can right click on the drop down, click on configure, go to create options, and here you can add the city names. Hyderabad and Chennai. Click on save, preview, click on save here, and you can see these values showing up here. The other aspects, attaching a variable, it is exactly similar to how you would attach it to a text box. Printing out the value, again, exactly same as how you would do for a text box. Hope this video was helpful. Thank you.